children on. Lovely, good boy. So this afternoon's work, that's a bit loud. This afternoon's work is introducing Benny to lots of different sights and sounds, unexpected noises, unexpected busy stuff, basically. Anything that we can throw at him, that's what we're doing. He's been a walk down the Treble 4. We've been a walk round Moira Furnace Park with lots of kids playing there. We've just come over to Conkers, and that's what this train business is all about. So he's been on and off the lead, so I don't just wait until the end of the walk to get them on the lead. Always put the lead on for sort of a couple of minutes in the middle of a walk, and then take the lead off, then put it on, so that they don't associate coming to you with just having the lead on. Okay. All strange noises, bangs, all that kind of thing going on, and he's got these two obviously showing him that there's nothing to worry about. So he's taking it all in his stride, and this Gen Con is making the world of difference. So I mean, even for me, and I know what to do with the slip lead, and I'm used to it, it was constant with him, and to keep a really good forward pace to stop him getting up on his back legs, it's hard work. It's got to be doable for everybody. It's no good trying to make something fit if it doesn't, and he'd really got into a bad habit of just getting straight up onto his back legs. But this is lovely. Really lovely, relaxed walk. I mean, like I say, with the Gen Con you get such a lovely, clear communication, the same as with the slip lead. So I'm over the moon with this. Very good. Let's have a look at some ducks. Lots of stopping and starting this afternoon. It's not about the distance I'm covering, it's about the experience. Okay, lots of stopping and starting. So he gets to watch the others going about. There's people walking everywhere. And he just gets to take it all in. This is all the mental stimulation part. This is the bit that's going to make him sleep tonight. Good.